Day 2, DIV 29. About an hour into the hunt. I'm on a top of a hill with dig holes everywhere, but got a little bit of lead showing the bottom of the hole, so pull it out. I haven't touched it yet. Probably just a 3-ringer. Yep. Good find though. First one of the day. Okay, I'm right near where I dug that bullet. This is a surprise. I thought this was gonna be junk. Maybe a bullet, but it was breaking a lot, but looks like a little brass hook off a knapsack. So cool find, first one of these for the hunt and ever. I got a button. Gave me a really loud high tone. It blew my ears out, but it didn't break, so I dug it. You see it? I think it might just be the back. Now I don't see it. Here it is. Yep. Just the back. That's alright. Probably an eagle button. Looks like.
It's a little loud.
Oh yeah. Just like, oh.
Alright, my buddy Brian thinks he got a breastplate in the hole. Right there. He hasn't touched it yet though.
Great find. Is that my boot? Yeah, I'm almost positive that's what that is. That's too cool.
Nice find.
Here, use a stick. Use
You want my toothbrush?
I got a toothbrush.
Pick one of these things. Yeah. That way it doesn't mess with it. Double it up. Sweet.
We'll find out if that's what it is.
I'm
Yeah, there's a
almost
rim
sure
on
it
it.
is, Brian. Oh yeah, it is. I'm almost 99.
Is that your first one?
Yeah.
I got some water if you want it. Yep, definitely what it is.
Wow, yeah. Put some water on it.
Alright, here it is, all cleaned up.
Semi-clean.
Yeah, semi-cleaned up. But that's a really good find.
Hey, congrats, buddy.
Congrats. There you go. Alright, two things. One, I just figured out how to make my camera always be horizontal so it doesn't have vertical video sometimes, so I apologize for all the vertical videos in the past and in the early part of this video, but just got a piece of lead in the hole. If I can focus. The lighting's kind of bad. Where is it? Where is it? Oh. Right there. See it? Looks like a mini ball. Pull it out. There it is. Second one of the day for me. Okay, this has got to be a bullet this time. It broke a little bit, but not the first time I did it. Okay. Last try for a live dig. If it's not a bullet, no more live digs. But I just dug one. I'm right up there, and then about 10 pieces of camp lead, which always give a really good signal. Nice high tone. But I started digging huge plugs now because yesterday I hit both the big bullets that I dug. Okay, let's check out the detector. Well, that's not that good of a sign because that was the first plug I pulled out. So it wasn't deep. It still might be a bullet. Ah! Damn it. It's a nail. I got a button. But it sounded just like a nail. Where is it? Let's see if we can get a good picture of it. No. It's right here anyway. Looks like it might just be the back again. Ah! I broke it. Okay, just got another bullet. Popped right out of the plug, just about 2 feet from the last one. And looks like a dropped ringer, so good find. Okay, so I wasn't gonna film this bullet because I just thought it was gonna be another mini ball, but it's a ringtail sharps, which is the first one of these that I've ever found. So still working this little area. All right, I got a nice bullet down the plug. I think. Let's see. Nice. There's a knapsack hook right behind me. Let's find it with the detector. Oh, see it? Yeah. Nice mini ball. Drop. Matt was all in here, all these dig holes. Looks like he didn't do a very good job. Alright, got a nice button in the hole. Haven't touched it yet. I didn't start filming, so that was gonna be another piece of camp light because I found a bunch of those. But it's right there. Here. Let me get it in the shade for you. Haven't touched it yet. Oops. It's just the back again. That's alright. It's my third button back of the day. Cool. Okay, got another good signal here. I'm not gonna dig it live though, because everything I dig live is a nail. Can you see it down there? It's a bullet. Haven't picked it up yet. I just popped it out. It looks fired though. Yep, definitely fired. Ooh, what is that? Looks like a 3-ringer, but it's got a weird base to it. Might just be from impact though. Gotta ask someone. Alright, got a really nice button in the hole, haven't touched it yet. Right there. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna clean it off and turn the video back on. All right.
And by the way, when you hit that with hot water, that may come on.
Uh huh.
So
it's a officer's cuff coat button, or no cuff, I think. It's small. So good fun. I wasn't expecting that. I was just going over to talk to Dave's, and I found it on my way over. So all right. On to the next one. Alright, I think I got another one of those staff officer buttons in here somewhere. David's mad at me because he's just digging nails up there. But I don't know where I put it. Hold on. I haven't touched it yet, but it's somewhere in here. Where did it go? It took me forever to pinpoint in the first place. It's tiny. Alright, let me find out the detector and then get it on video once I get it out. Alright, now I got it. It's right in the middle of the screen. I'm not going to clean it because this one just looks like the back. But second one of the day. Well, I just brushed it off a little bit more, and it's not the same one I found last time. This is a New York cuff. So, awesome find. See you guys at the next one. Okay, sorry for the win. Got a third cuff button off this hillside. Haven't touched it yet. Took me forever to find though. I was about to give up on it actually. And let's see if it'll focus. See it? Is that it? Did I grab it? Yeah. Oh, it might just be the back. Oh well. Yep. Looks like it's just the back. Still a neat find. Guess I can stick that one with the front of my New York, because that one doesn't have a back. Hold on. What is it? Just the back. Can't get the focus, but no, not gonna focus. All right.